Hey guys, welcome to Sam610. So in this video I want to show you guys 4 easy steps on how to process your YouTube videos faster. Now this process actually worked for me, so hopefully it works for you. Whether you're new to YouTube or a veteran to YouTube, hopefully this helps. By the way, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, so what we have here is a basic timeline of 4 simple steps I'm about to share with you guys. Stick with me. Okay, so what we have here is for step number 1, of course, none of this wouldn't happen unless you did filming. So filming would have to be, of course, step number 1 in your process of creating your video. So we have filming. And without filming, like I said, none of this would even be possible unless you hit the record button. So there we have it. We have filming for step number 1. Let's make this a little bit smaller here. Alright, so of course step number 2 would have to be editing. So you can't really do anything on your channel without editing. I mean, there's a lot of people out there that upload videos without editing, which is not a bad thing, but if you're into transitions and things like that, editing could probably take you days. There's a lot of people that do this process and it takes them days just to get through the editing part. Me myself, with just a quick tutorial, I'm able to bang out these videos, these little tutorials I do for you guys, within a few hours, all said and done from start to finish. So we have number 1, filming, number 2, editing, and now we're going to go to number 3. And number 3 for me is going to be my thumbnail. So I'm able to get my thumbnail done all within one shot. Now this comes simple to me only because it's fresh on my mind. I know what I want to do for my thumbnail. So my thumbnail is going to be a simple process for me. It's fairly simple. Normally what I do is I would go into Photopea and I will take any of the images that I have and I'll go through, I'll import them, I'll edit them, I'll go through, I'll do some research on what the most popular text is. I won't get into that. If you guys want to see more of that, please let me know. I will do another video just on how I create my thumbnails. Some people use Panzoid. I started using, Photopea. It's an online, free editing that you can use, for your channel. So that's very simple for me. You don't have to worry about paying for Photoshop or paying for monthly fees. It's quick, it's easy, it gets the job done. Not everybody's going to click on every single thumbnail, but sometimes I'll go through and I'll go back and I'll change my thumbnails. But like I said, I won't get into that in this video. So we have filming, we have editing, and we have thumbnail. And of course, the last process would not be possible unless you clicked your upload button. So uploading is going to be the last one. And of course, guys, this does not include any of the keyword research that I do. I do use TubeBuddy, to do all of my, keyword research, my titles, my tags, my descriptions. Everything that I do goes through TubeBuddy. And I actually started using vidIQ as well. vidIQ and TubeBuddy together is really good. TubeBuddy, like I said, works good for the tags, the title, the description, and vidIQ can help you after you post your video to go through and do a channel audit to see if you had missed any keywords on your channel, and then you can go back and add those keywords, those keyword phrases, those tags, which is very, very important for YouTube to push your video. Alright, so what we have here, guys, step number 1 through 4, we have filming, we have editing, we have thumbnail, and we have upload. So hopefully these are 4 simple steps you guys can use to help process your YouTube videos faster. If you found any value to this video, please give me a thumbs up, and as always, guys, later.